So guys, quick little vlog today. We got a 1966 Ford Bronco. That thing's cherried, man. Nice seats, nice paint, has an N96 in it. Right now I'm replacing the starter. The old starter gave out. We got the new one right here. Should be ready to go. Quick little install though. Just want to show you guys the Bronco though. Pretty nice. Nice and clean, man. Came out in North Carolina. Look at the interior, spotless. Check it out, guys. Pretty clean, nice hubcaps. He has a cover for the spare tire in the back. This car's pretty straight. The floor pan and everything is good. Check it out. For you go off-roading, you just switch this, I believe, to lock position. Nice little done. Alright guys, welcome back. Day 2 on a 1966 Ford Bronco. So yesterday he bought a starter, but it was the wrong one. We got the new one right here, ready for install. We're gonna install it really fast, get it going. Already got the top bolt in. Right now I'm gonna do the bottom. It's kind of hard to record. Basically the screws in like that. It's a little hard to record, but I'll put everything together and start it up for you guys. I'll show you guys a quick video. There you go. Very clean. There you go. Yep. There it is, new starter's in. Start right up. Sounds pretty good too.